Hello and welcome to another tutorial. So this will be a super quick tutorial on how to work from both sides of your yarn ball. So I mentioned in my video tutorial for Michelka blanket that I prefer, when I work the color work, I prefer to work from inside and outside of the yarn ball rather than using two yarn balls. So one of my viewers asked me how to do it, so I'm just going to show you how I would normally do it. So what I mean by working from inside and outside, that you will find the end of the yarn ball inside. Some of the companies, they are producing so-called center pull yarn balls, so you actually start working from the inside. And the advantage of this is that when you start working from the inside, your yarn ball is basically motionless, so you're just pulling from inside rather than from outside, so the yarn would be kind of like moving around, the yarn ball would be moving around. So this is a great way how to just keep things neat and organized. So one of the ends is from the inside, and then I'm also utilizing the end which is on the outside, so I will be also using the other end, which, if we look at the new ball of yarn, I'm going to move, the label would be here. So I'm using the one from the center, but I'm also using one from the outside, and this is what I will use for the color work ordinary. So that's pretty much it. The only thing to remember or to be cautious is that when you are pulling from inside, it doesn't really need anything extra to it, you're just pulling from inside. However, if you are going from outside, sometimes you will kind of cross over the yarn together with the strand from inside. So what you need to do, as you are unraveling your yarn from the outside of the ball, you just need to turn it around so the strands wouldn't cross, because once they start crossing over, you can get tangles, and if you're using another color like I was using for the tutorial, it become all one big tangled mess. So just to remember, as you are unraveling the yarn from outside, you also need to be gently twisting your yarn ball. So as you can see, as I'm unraveling, I'm also turning the yarn ball around, and this way the yarn will never cross over. And that's it. This was a super quick tutorial on how to use both ends of your yarn ball. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.